Previously we completed problem set 8. Today we start problem set 9 and it is on page number 16. Yes, it is on page number 16 and that is problem set 9. So we start first problem. So what is problem 9? Solve the word problems. So we see first problem. That is C. What is the C? There are 7,530 books in a library. If there are 15 books in one case, how many cases should be there in the library? Okay, so one library is there. In that library total how many books are there? 7,530 books. And in one case how many books? 15. Then what we have to find out? How many cases should be there in the library? We have to find out number of cases. So 15 books, one case. So for 7,530 books, how many cases will require? So for that what we have to do? 7,530 divided by 15. So divide it. So if you know table of 15, you can directly see. Say table and solve this. So first one. What is the first one? 15. In table of 15, 7 is there? No. Why? Because 7 is smaller than 15. So we take 75. So now check in table of 15, 75 is there? Yes, is it there? So in table of 75, 15 table of 75 is there. So 15 5s are 75. So 75 minus 75, 0. So what is next number? 3. Yes. So student, here we have to write 0. Why we have to take 0 here? Because this is the 3 and 3 is smaller than 15. So we want next number. So by taking for next number we write here 0. So now here number is 30. So 15 2s are 30. 30 minus 30, 0. So in library how many cases will be there? Thus 502 cases are there in the library. Okay. Now we see next one. So what is the next one? Okay. Now we see next one, that is try. What is the try? First one. 1,512 cans are kept in a one carrot. Each carrot can hold 24 cans. How many carrots are needed to keep all the cans? Okay, so in means total how many cans are there? 1,512. And each carrot how many can keep? It can hold 24 cans. So we have to find out for 1,512 cans how many carrots will be required. So 24 cans, 1 carrot. So 1,512 cans, how many carrot will require? For that 1,512 divided by 24. So student, firstly what we have to do? Firstly we write table of 24. So what is the table of 24? 24 1s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 24 3s are 72, 24 4s are 96, 24 5s are 120 and 24 6s are 144. This much is sufficient for us. Now see, first number is 1. 1 is smaller than 24. Then what is the next number? 5. So number is 15. 15 also smaller than 24. Then what we have to do? We will take next number, that is 1. Now what is the number? 151. Now we have to check in table of 24, 151 is there? Is it there? No. Then what we have to do? We will find out next number. Small number than 151. So which number is small? That is 144. So 24 6 are 144. Now 151 minus 144. How much it is? 7. Now next number is 2. So take that 2 downside. Now see in table of 24, 72 is there? Yes. 24 3s are 72. So here write 3 and here is a 72. 72 minus 72, 0. Now here what is the quotient? Quotient is 63. And remainder 0. What is this? This is the remainder and this is the quotient. Now final answer. Thus, how many carats? 63 carats are required to keep this much cans. Okay, now we see next problem. So what is the next one? Second one. A school strength is 840 if one class only 35 students can sit. How many classes are required to accommodate all the students? So firstly we see for 35 students one class. Then what we have to find out? For 840 students how many classes will required. So first of all what we have to do? We will make a table of 35. So what is the table of 35? 35 2s are 70. Now what we have to do? We add 5 plus 0, 5 and 7 plus 3, 10. Then again this number add 35. 5 plus 5, 0, 1 is carry. 3 plus 1, 4 and this one. Now 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 3, 7 and 1. Okay, this much table is sufficient for us. Now see, 35, 2s are 70. Why 70? Because in table of 35, 84 is there? No. Next number is 105 and 105 is big than 84. So that's why 35 2s are 70. Now we subtract 4 minus 0, 4. 8 minus 7, 1. And next what is the number? 0. So take that 0 downside. Table of 35, 140 is there? Yes. 35 4s are 140. Now subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So student, here quotient, what is quotient? 24 and remainder it will be 0. So final answer, how many classes required? Thus, 24 classes are required. Yes, I hope you understand this one. Now we see next one, that is on page number 17. Okay, so page number 17 we see apply first problem. What is the problem? A truck contains 50,100 kg of wheat. The wheat has to be packed in a bags. One bag can hold 25 kg of wheat. How many bags can be packed? Okay, so one truck is there. In that truck, how many kg wheats are there? It has 50,100 kg of wheat. Then in one bag, how much wheat can hold? 25 kg. So we have to find out how many bags can be packed in this wheat. So we find out for 25 kg, one bag. Then 50,100 kg, here it will become question mark. That is, means how many bags required for this much. Now what we have to do? 50,100 divided by 25. So in table of 25, 50 is there. I think so you know table of 50. It is there? Yes. So 25 2s are 50. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Next number is 1. So take that one downside. Now what we have to do? In table of 25, what 1 is there? No. Then what we have to do? We have to take 0 downside. And here also we take 0. Then next. Now see in table of what we say 25. 10 is there? No. So again take that 0 this 0 also. So see student, so here we take this 0 also downside, so here also we have to write 0. Why we take 0? Because this here, this one, it is a small than 25. So then we want next number, that is 0. But if we take this number downside, if here is 0, that's why here we write 0. If any other number is here, 2, 3, if we write that number also, then also we have to write here also 0. But then also, if we not write this number, then what is the number? 10. But 10 is also small than 25. So that's why we take next number also downside, that is 0. And that's why we write here 0. So now, in table of 25, 100 is there? Yes. 25 fours are 100. Now subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So student, here quotient. What is the quotient will be here? Quotient is here 2004. And remainder 0. So student, how many bags can be packed? 2004 bags. Packed. Okay. So this is our final answer. Okay. So here we completed this one also. Now see, second one you have to solve by yourself. Third one also solve here by yourself. Only in third one what you have to do? You have to make a table of 48. And you know how to make table? Suppose 48 plus 48. So 48 plus 48 you do here, otherwise do separately. 48 plus 48. So 8 plus 8, 6. 1 is here. 4 plus 4, 8. And plus 1, 9. So 96. Next, add this one. 8 plus 6, 14. 4 is here. 1 will be carried. So 4 plus 9, 13. And plus 1, 14. In this way, you have to make a table of 48. And then easily you can solve this problem. Okay. So, now here, that's all for today. Now your today's homework. So your homework is page number 16 and 17 in notebook and textbook. Okay, what is homework? Page number 16 and 17 in notebook and in textbook. That's all for today. Good day and thank you.